Why is EV towing different for energy use over distance? Have you ever wondered why towing with an electric vehicle is not the same as driving without a load? Let's break down the factors that make EV towing unique when it comes to energy use over distance. First off, when you tow something, you add extra weight to your electric vehicle. This extra weight requires more energy to get moving and to keep the vehicle at a steady speed. On top of that, trailers create more aerodynamic drag. This means your vehicle has to work harder to push through the air, especially when driving at higher speeds. Together, these factors can lead to a reduction in driving range by about 30% to over 50%, depending on what you are towing and the model of your vehicle. Another interesting point is that electric vehicles provide instant torque. This is great for towing because it helps with acceleration, especially when starting from a stop. However, this also means that the battery drains faster when you are towing, as more power is needed to maintain speed and tackle any hills along the way. It is also important to consider how towing affects the battery and thermal management systems of your electric vehicle. When towing, the battery can heat up more quickly, which means the vehicle's cooling system has to work harder to keep everything at safe temperatures. This can slightly impact efficiency and how quickly you can recharge the battery. Now, let's talk about regenerative braking. Electric vehicles use this feature to recover energy when slowing down. However, when towing, the extra weight changes how braking works. Braking takes longer and can be more intense, which may reduce the effectiveness of regenerative braking. This means you might not recover as much energy as you would without a trailer. When you are planning a trip while towing, it is essential to keep in mind that your vehicle's range will drop significantly. Many electric vehicles adjust their range estimates automatically when a trailer is attached. This means you need to plan your charging stops more carefully. Not all charging stations are equipped to handle vehicles with trailers, so it is wise to check ahead. Weight distribution is another key aspect to consider for safety and efficiency while towing. Properly balancing the load on your trailer is crucial. While the heavy battery pack in electric vehicles can help with stability, you still need to ensure that the nose weight and load balance are within safe limits. This will help avoid excessive energy use and ensure safe handling. In practical terms, electric vehicle owners should expect their normal driving range to drop by roughly half when towing in some cases. Planning routes with suitable charging infrastructure is essential. Additionally, remember that towing efficiency can vary based on trailer size, speed, terrain, and weather conditions. In summary, towing with an electric vehicle is different for energy use over distance due to the combination of added weight and aerodynamic drag. This requires careful planning and awareness of your vehicle's capabilities and limitations when towing.